All right, I've got my Garmin inReach Messenger Plus. It just came in the mail today, and you can see it right here. So let's break into it and let's see what's in it. All right, you can see it's got the typical packaging here. And then the box the messenger is in. It's a really nice package as always, so well, let's just dig right in and see what's inside, and they make it easy actually to get in the box. So there it is. It is the Garmin inReach Messenger Plus. All right, let's see what else is inside real quick. All right, here's a cable to charge or to download things with. Here's the inReach Messenger Plus. It gives information on the app and probably some more safety instructions here. Let's set all this off to the side, and you can see, let's see just how long this cable is. It's probably just about 8 inches to a foot. Let's see. I always like to keep these. You never know when you need to tie something off. All right, if I had to guess, it's over a foot long. There you go. Gotta have that. Well, let's look at the Messenger Plus real fast. It does have a screen protector here. I'm going to take it off. And there's nothing special other than what normally comes on the Messenger, but this is the Messenger Plus. I will say the Messenger Plus has a lot of great features from what I've seen on it, but I'm going to bring that to you tomorrow. Honestly, this looks a lot like the Messenger. In fact, let me get the Messenger real quick. All right, so here's my inReach Messenger. Same size, both have a window. They're identical actually, other than the color's a little different. On the bottom, you can see the left and right arrows and the OK button. Everything is identical on these. Here is the power button and then the SOS cover, and you just open that up, and again you depress it and search and rescue will contact you. Over here is where you would plug in this cable right here. That's it. There is a place for a lanyard here, and I actually use this. This is how I carry it on my backpack. And of course you could get to the battery inside if you wanted to. I actually go in here and replace the batteries, but I only have to replace them about once every 2 months. You can get rechargeable batteries, but if you don't want to, regular batteries will last you at least a month. Of course, that depends how you use it. But there you have it, the Garmin inReach Messenger and the Garmin inReach Messenger Plus. I'm really excited to take a look at this because everything I've seen on it so far, it's a lot more powerful than the Messenger. And the Messenger is a great device, so it's going to be really interesting to take a look at the Messenger Plus. Well, watch for the next video I bring to you, and it's going to be in a day because it's going to be about all the features about the Garmin inReach Messenger Plus. I'm not going to field test it tomorrow because I don't have enough time yet, but I'm going to create a tutorial and I'm going to break the whole thing down, and in October is probably when you're going to see the complete tutorial on the Garmin inReach Messenger Plus. All right, thanks for joining me today on Outdoor Emergency Tech here in Colorado. Enjoy the outdoors and be safe.